In this question, we are asked to show that if this determinant is equal to 0, then triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So that means we have to show either angle A is equal to B, or B is equal to C, or A equal to C. In this question, let's try to see if we can show them or not. So here the thing is, so we need to find determinant of 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos B, 1 plus cos C, and then cos square A plus cos A, cos square B plus cos B, and finally cos square C plus cos C. So one thing we know is, if we just subtract, if I say column 2 is equal to column 2 minus, row 2 is equal to row 2 minus row 1, we know that its determinant doesn't change by doing such operations. So now this will become, row 1 remains same, which will be 1 1 and 1, and 1 1 and 1. Row 2 will become cos A, 1 plus cos A minus 1, which will be cos A. Here it will be cos B, here it will be cos C. Now here it remains same, so cos square A plus cos A, cos square B plus cos B, and finally cos square C plus cos C. Now what I will do is, I will try to do row 3 is equal to row 3 minus row 2. I will subtract row 2 from row 3. So this thing will become 1, row 1 remains unchanged as usual, second row 2 remains unchanged.
पूरा वीडियो सोल्यूशन देखें डाउटनट ऐप पर।